In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the /fill command easily. And I'm gonna show you a building montage. Let's go. After the epic montage, I'm gonna show you how to use the /fill command. It's pretty easy, straightforward, and I really like it and I use it a lot, so yeah. Let me just demonstrate how fast and easy it is. Yay, I'm gonna build a house. Let's go. Alright, placing some couple of blocks. Oh my god, bro, it's taking a long time. I'm pretty tired. Oh my god, I'm done with building the house. Yeah, just add some details to it, like doors and beds and so on, so it looks better. Alright, just finishing it off with some carpet, and yeah, it took a long time to build that house just because of the walls and the roof. Can just remove that in a couple of seconds with the /fill command, and I'm gonna rebuild it in a very little time. Just look at that, it's gonna be very cool. Right, /fill coordinates, and just go to the other block. Alright, just do that. Okay, and then we're going to do blanks, then hollow. Let's go. The walls and the roof are done. That was pretty easy, right? Yes, I am sure that this is one of the easiest commands that I have ever discovered or found. Yes, let's go. Now I'm gonna just add some details to it so it doesn't look like a big box instead of a house. Yeah, Okay, this was pretty fast. Just with some couple of commands, I just made the whole house, and just the only thing that took time was the details of the house, like beds or something like that. Now I will show you how to use the /fill command. First, you will need to take two coordinates from each side where you're gonna build something. Now, for example, I'm gonna take this corner from this coordinate. I'm gonna just take this corner that I just marked red with. Now, the noob way, or like a noob would use it, is that he would open F3. Wait, no, that's the pro way. Wait a minute. Open F3 and just take the coordinates from the block that he's standing on. It takes a long time, like 270. 67 and minus 189. Now I'm gonna take the other one, which I have to stand on, and take the coordinates from that too. Like do the paste it, that what I just did, and now just do 277, 71 and minus 196. Gotta just write them all like one by one. And I'm gonna now pick the block that I am gonna build on. or using. Now for example, I used here red wool, which is a pretty nice block for builders and things. Yeah, so this is how to use it. But the pro way is to just take the coordinates where you're looking at, like from the cursor, the block that is selected. I just press tab tab tab, and then I press enter, and now I just go slash up, and then tap 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 to take the other blocks, the other coordinate, and then use a block. I just changed it to glass. Okay, I'm gonna just change the wait. Okay, now we have a glass block, which I just changed with the pro way. That was pretty easy. So now I will show you the subcommands that are in the command itself. So there are 5 types of commands which you can use, which are just like I'm gonna show right now. Now first let me just make a smiley face. This is a happy smiley face. Let's go. So I just built it, and I'm gonna just get out of here and close the opening that I just made to get in. And now I will show you the subcommands. Now first, I just changed the ground, just so it looks better. But now there's this smiley face, and I will just change it to another color, the glass. Just take the coordinates from the other side. Okay. Then I will do blue stained glass, for example. Okay, and I will choose hollow because I want it hollow from the inside. It's hollow. Oh no, where is the smiley face? He's gone, because the hollow just changes everything that is inside to air, which is pretty unfortunate. Sadly, our smiley face just gone, and I just build it back in. So now I will show you the same command that I just did, but I'm gonna change the blocks this time to the normal glass. We'll do outline. Outline just outlines where you just selected the blocks, which is much safer for our smiley face. Safer for him. Now let's just say you just mixed some 2 blocks, and you just looked at them. They were pretty beautiful, but you said, oh no, I chose the wrong block. So instead of breaking them and rebuilding them, you can just do /fill, but at the end just add replace to replace a block. So I'm gonna replace the glass with some red wool, So I changed it from this to this. A pretty handy command. And now for the next one, we have keep, which is a pretty handy command too, which I like a lot. So what the command does is just replaces the air and keeps every block that is in between the coordinates. So I'm just just making glass and just adding keep at the end. Now okay, look at this. Every block that was not air is inside, which is pretty handy for certain situations, which is pretty helpful. Now the next one, and the last one actually, is destroy subcommand, which is pretty helpful. So I'm gonna just take the coordinates and just do blue stained glass and add destroy at the end. So what it does, it every block that changed is broken instead of gone. So I have the remains of the smiley face set. So this is the /fill command, which is pretty helpful, and now you can be the coolest one in the group. And see you in another video.